Send a request in. Y'all gotta do something.
Hello, little boy. Hello, I know damn well you know who the fuck I am. How fucking dare you take me out to fucking tag you nasty ass hoe? I know damn well you know my fucking username. And you're not gonna fucking add me in the motherfucking video that you posted, hoe. And I know damn well you kept that shit up because that's your most liked motherfucking video because me and Barbie, you nasty disgusting ass bitch with that big ass nose. I can't fucking say who the fuck you looking like that? I can't stand any of y'all. Come on, what's that big bitch? Come on, get that big bitch back in the frame because I'm trying to get all of y'all. Come on, get in the screen. All three of y'all, bitch. All three of y'all big ass hoes. Look at your ugly ass bitch. Who the fuck is you go with that big ass hoe? I take my 2 fingers and put that big ass I swear to God, I'll choke you with that. I'll put the hat down your fucking throat until you fucking breathe no fucking more. And back to you, Fredo, you ugly ass bitch with that big ass fucking head. I can't stay with the nasty ass dry ass dead ass braid on your fucking head. I can't stay. No, who's that bitch on the right? Who's that bitch on the right? Yes, back to you, skinny little twig ass bitch. Come on, take that nasty ass teeth out your fucking mouth and I beat that big ass nose off your face. Actually, your nose is actually pretty normal, but I beat that big ass pointy ass eyeballs off your fucking face, you nasty ass dirty ass bitch with them nasty big ass lips. I can't fucking stand you, as you hoe with that fake ass designer clothes. I can't fucking stand you. Get the fuck out the frame. You did a disappointment to the motherfucking live, you dirty ass bitch. Now I want Fredo only in the screen now. Get the fuck out the screen. I know you fucking hear me. You so fucking big you can't even get a fucking frame? You that big? Anyway, so how are you guys? Hello, nigga. I know you can hear me.
Bitch, I have to digest this shit.
Anyway, I just.
What are you?
Who am I?
You ain't human, bitch. You making monkey noises.
I'm a motherfucking monkey, and what are you gonna do about it? You look just like one, so I'm pretty sure you know your own species, hoe. With that nasty Fiji water, I can't stand you. I hope you choking that bottle and you can't breathe no fucking more. I can't stand your whole account. Your whole account makes me want to fucking throw my phone. Literally, when I saw your picture, I said, this boy is about to get what he deserves. When he goes down, I'm about to beat the fuck out this little big body bitch, big back bitch. I can't fucking stand it. I got my fucking phone and threw it at the fucking wall.
Whoa.
Bitch, shut your big ass up. Don't fucking try me. Get the fuck out the screen now. Anyway, shut the fuck up. Did I actually fucking talk?
It's a bad ting in here.
Remember when you called the cops on me?
All right, you got 5 more seconds on these niggas.
Yeah, go ahead.
Bitch, I have the longest time as I motherfucking want to. Bitch, you're not gonna take me out. Bitch, you're not gonna take me out unless I say I want to be taken out. You nasty asshole. Bitch. Anyway, can you guys put me on a leash and walk me like your little doggies, please?
Can you show your face?
Yes, you can what, bitch? Anyway, so I'll be outside,
you
walking like a dog. Shut the fuck up. Did I ask you to fucking talk? No. So you can put me on a leash and I'll be walking outside. I'll be like, to anyone you want me to. I'll bark at anybody you want me to. I can be a little doggy. What, bitch? I know you fucking heard what the fuck I said. You made me so fucking mad with that big ass nose. I swear to God, your nose is so fucking big. It takes like fucking 60% of your fucking face, dirty ass bitch. Who the fuck you looking at like that? Is that Malik? Which one's Malik? Is it the skinny bitch? Who's that skinny bitch on the right? Who's that? What's his name? Hello! I know you can hear me! I know you can hear me!
Done with your monkey ass.
Bitch, retarded, man.